kinda mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, sleeping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster. 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 Yeah, I feel like a
Hi Internet, welcome to Project Maserati. This is the answer to a question that no one had, and the answer to that question is yes, it does fit.
yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, sleeping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, sleeping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a
You don't believe in monsters, do you?
Of course not.
I do.
If this is the kind of thing you'd like to see, please like, share and subscribe. The more people I have on the channel, the easier it is for me to justify this going forward, and the sooner you'll get to see it on the track. With that in mind, I'd love to say thank you to Arvo at New Model Wreckers in Sydney, Australia. He helped me source the engine. He's a great guy, so if you're looking to do a harebrained project like this, or if you're looking for spare parts for your exotic, please hit him up. He will help you out. So yeah, if you want to see this happen, I hope to see you join the channel. Thanks.